Okay, it's time for the Cadillac coffee cocktail. Starting off, of course, with a little vodka, 1.5 ounces. Next up, we're going to use, of course, our favorite coffee. This cold brew is exceptional for cocktails. 1.5 ounces. The liqueur part, 1/2 ounce of the Grand Marnier, and then 1/2 ounce of our coffee liqueur, sugar, syrup, or Demerera. And all you want to think of is that sugar transfers flavor across the palate, makes us be able to taste and enjoy something really well, but you just need a little bit. Let's go ahead, ice it up, and shake together. And as we shake together, we're gonna go corner to corner, have a little fun with that. It's almost like you're dancing, and I'm a terrible dancer, but it's like, we're gonna pour it right in. You know this is going to be exceptional. You don't have to, but I like to put a little salt or saline sometimes to my cocktails so that the flavor is just exceptional on your palate. Give it a little stir around. This is why I love my job so much. It is time for our taste. Cheers and sip boldly. You're gonna love this one.